Excel has a great tool used to automatically fill the data with the help of available cells pattern. That Excel tool is called Flash Fill, which is available under the Data tab in the group Data Tools. You can also find it under the Home tab in the Editing group. Flash Fill evaluates a pattern in the data and uses the pattern to fill the succeeding cells. So, if we combine the values of two cells, for example, Excel would automatically do the same for the rest of the cells with the use of Flash Fill. Aside from that, you can also use Flash Fill to extract texts from each cell and fill them in respective cells. Watch this video and learn how useful this function is. Flash Fill. This function is designed to do automatic entry of data. What we do to the first cell will be done to the remaining cells with the use of this function. We just have to enable the Flash Fill function by going to File, then Options, go to Advanced, then check the box for Automatically Flash Fill. In this case, it's already enabled, so we don't have to click that. Then do the first pattern by typing Carlos space Miller. Press Enter, and if the remaining cells are not filled, just hit Ctrl E to trigger it. And the task is done instantly. Further to that, Flash Fill can also follow a pattern with a combination of multiple values. For example, we have the same table with the first name and surname, but this time we include their ID number. What we want, for example, is to have a column with our first name and ID number. Doing that manually for all will surely eat up all our time. In this case, Flash Fill will play a very important role. All we need to do is type the first one to serve as an example for Excel to follow. Then apply the Flash Fill shortcut key by holding the Control key, then press E, and look at the result. What was done to the first cell was also applied to the rest of the cells in the column. Flash Fill can do more than that. For the next example, we are going to extract data from another cell. Let us use the same list of names and ID numbers, but this time, let us extract part of the ID number. Let us get the first letter and the last three numbers. So let's type A006. Enter and press Ctrl E. There you go. Excel did exactly the same with what we did in the first cell. Excel can also extract the specific data from a phrase using Flash Fill. Assuming this is our data which shows the first name, last name, and ID number combined in one cell. From this, we can quickly extract the surname only with the use of Flash Fill. Just like the previous examples, let us show Excel an example of what we want to be done. So let's type the surname here and press Ctrl E. Now all the remaining cells in the column contain the surnames. Flash Fill is such an amazing tool. Imagine how much time you will spend if there are hundreds or thousands of values and you have to do them manually. Flash Fill is a new feature that is available only in Excel 2013, down the latest version. Flash Fill will sense whatever the data we give and fills the other cells automatically. Make use of this function and you can save a lot of time.